Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here we are sitting at my kitchen table. Now, I'm really sorry if this is a little bit wobbly. It's probably not the best to be doing these lessons on my iPhone. However, it's the only way that I could get to work, and since I'm not with you, here we go. What we're working on right now is a reflection across the line. You should have just watched a video about symmetry. If you didn't watch that, please go back because you need to know that. So yesterday we may have in class talked about a reflection really just being a flip. So here in this we've got a line of reflection. Here's the original one, and then it flips over to give you this new one. And do you see the primes? So A prime goes to A prime, B prime goes to B prime, C prime goes to C, or C goes to C prime, B goes to B prime. If I look right here, B is the same distance from this line as B prime is, just flipped over on the other side. So C flipped over, oh, there it is on the other side. So we're going to take a couple and we're just going to see what happens. So it says if point P, which is at 3, 4, is reflected across the line y equals 1, what are the coordinates, spelling error, of its reflection image? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to this cute little thing. Oh, look at that. All right, it says the point 3, 4. So I go over 3, 4. Here is my point. So I'm going to put a P by that. Then it says it's reflected across the line y equals 1. Y equals 1. Well, this is the x-axis. Here's my y-axis. Y equals 1 is right here. So everywhere along this line, it crosses through everywhere on this line, y equals 1. So if that's true, let's see, P is 1, 2, 3 away. So that means that it's got P prime has to be 1, 2, 3 away over here, and I'll label that P prime. So now it says what are the coordinates? So P prime is at 3, -2. Alright, well, let's try another one. This one says, what is the image of P, which is 3, 4, reflected across the line x equals -1? So let's go over there again. It said P is at 3, 4, so 3, 4. There's my P. This time it says go across the line x minus 1. So I'm going to look at, let's see, x-axis. X is at -1 here. So there is my line. Now it is highly likely that on your worksheet you might just have to go across the x-axis, the y-axis. So here's your y-axis, here's your x-axis. But for right now I'm going on x equals -1. So, did you know, just a quick aside, the y-axis is at x equals 0. Just a thought. So let's take P, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 away. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 away over here. That's P prime. So the coordinates of that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. And up 4. See what you can do with that. Does that make sense? If so, then you're going to hop over to the next video, which will take a shape and move it over.